Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about capacitor for Turbochef part number 100232. The capacitor for Turbochef part number 100232 is a replacement part for the Turbochef oven. It is a 2-wire capacitor that helps to regulate the voltage and current in the oven. The capacitor helps to ensure that the oven operates at its optimal level and prevents any potential damage from occurring due to an overload of electricity. The capacitor is designed to be used with Turbochef models SOTA II, and SOTA III. It is a high-quality component that is designed to last for many years of use. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement capacitor for the Turbochef oven. It is used to help regulate the power supply to the oven and can help fix issues such as slow preheat times, inconsistent cooking temperatures, and other electrical problems. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven and unplug it from the wall. 2. Remove the oven door and set aside. 3. Locate the capacitor on the back of the oven, near the fan motor. It will be a black cylinder with 2 wires attached to it. 4. Disconnect both wires from the capacitor and remove it from its mounting bracket. 5. Install the new capacitor in place of the old one, making sure that both wires are connected securely to their respective terminals on the capacitor. 6. Reinstall the oven door and plug in the power cord to restore power to your oven. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.